Ho, baby, would you take a look at that? Bed Bath & Beyond stock is up a whopping 25%. This is music to my ears, guys. I'm loving it. It's completely breaking out here on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, and we have to break it down in this video. We're going to go over the charts and talk about where Bed Bath & Beyond stock could be going in the short term, and keyword is could, because nobody knows exactly where it's going to go. I'm not going to sit here and BS you guys and be like, yeah, it's going to go to 75 cents, $1, $1.25, because, again, nobody knows exactly where it's going to go, but we're going to break down the chart. So sit back, relax, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, take a sip of that coffee, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo, link down below. And now let's just dive right into it, because again, Bed Bath & Beyond stock right now at about, 10 a.m., so the market's just open. It is up over 27%, and at one point in the pre-market, you guys can see it was almost at 50 cents. This is nuts, guys. It was at 48 cents to be exact, meaning from where it closed yesterday at around, where did it close yesterday? Roughly 34 cents, something like that. It was up a whopping almost 40% at one point in the pre-market. Yeah, and who called this out, guys? I'm not tooting my own horn here, but sometimes, well, I'm going to toot my own horn sometimes, guys, but I'm just going to keep it real. Who called this out? We talked about this literally yesterday. Do you guys not see the ascending triangle that I drew out yesterday? This analysis right here, these trend lines, this is from yesterday, guys, and it played out perfectly, exactly to how we talked about it. Look, we had the ascending triangle forming. It was, that was yesterday, and in the aftermarket hours yesterday. Actually, no, the day before. That was from the 17th. So that was on what? Monday. So we started the ascending triangle on Monday into yesterday, then we completely just broke out, and we saw the ascending triangle play out in the aftermarket, or actually heading into the close yesterday, when Bed Bath & Beyond just completely took off from 32 cents. Then it got all the way up to about 43 cents by 5 p.m. after market. So an hour after the market closed, guys, if you didn't see, Bed Bath & Beyond stock was up about 25% after hours. That was a big move for the stock. So the ascending triangle, again, that we called out, not to toot my own horn, this thing ended up playing out. We broke out of 33 cents, which is huge. That was resistance yesterday pretty much all day and the day before. So we broke out. Now we hit 48 cents in the pre-market, and notice what ended up happening, right? Again, we hit 48 cents in the pre-market. We pulled back a little bit. We had some lower high action. You guys see that right here. We hit 48 cents. We hit a little lower high at about 45 cents. We dumped into open, but we held steady at around 39.40 cents. We held that 180 SMA here on the 5-day, 5-minute, which is such a good sign for the bulls, at least as of now. I mean, things could change by the time you're watching this video. Of course, this stock is very volatile, but right now, we held a higher low above that 180 SMA. We broke out yesterday, and now it looks like it's getting ready for another breakout. Now it's up over 31%. It started off being up 27% when I started this video. It just keeps on getting better and better for the bulls as the minutes go on. I mean, take a look at this, guys. Again, we had that pullback into open, then we popped right as the market's open to about 46 cents, then we pulled back. Now we're ripping back to about 45, 46 cents. So in the very short term, and hopefully when I get this video up to you guys, this will still be relevant. It probably will be. I'm going to edit it and get it up really quickly. In the short term, 45 cents, 46 cents, which we're testing right now, needs to break. Now it's up 34%, guys. This might break by the time I'm done making this video. It's actually breaking it right now. Now it's up almost 35%. Either way, we have to take out this 45, 46 cent level, because that was the high all pre-market. You guys see that today, pre-market, we failed at 8:20 a.m., 8:45, 9:15, you name it. Once the market's open, 9:35 a.m., we failed, and now we're starting to push through that level, but not completely yet. We're not seeing a huge leg up yet out of that level, but if we break 46 cents, guys, I'm telling you, 46.5, let me set my alert there now, 46.5, let me do that. Now, if that does end up breaking here on BBBY stock, 48 cents is next. We might even take out that 48 cents level, which was hit earlier in the pre-market at about 6:10 a.m. here on the East Coast. So this is looking good, guys, and at least in my opinion. I'd love to know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button as well if you like this type of content, and don't forget to subscribe, because we will be doing a lot more updates, many more updates on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. I'll probably do another one later on today to see kind of how it's playing out throughout the day. So make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 15 stocks for Moomoo using that link down below. Once you guys open up an account, you get one free share of stock if you deposit deposit at least $100, you get 4 more stocks totaling 5 stocks. And if you deposit at least $1,000, guys, you get another 10 stocks totaling 15 free stocks. And if you don't like the Moomoo platform, which I think you will like it, you can easily just withdraw all your deposits and you keep all the free stocks, no strings attached. And of course, it also helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys. As always, use that Moomoo link down below. And now let's quickly take a look at the overall stock market. Then maybe we'll wrap back to BBBY, as again, it's a very fast moving stock, and we'll wrap back around to it in a minute. So the overall markets right now are not looking pretty. Again, it's about 10 a.m. right now on the East Coast. We have the S&P 500 down 0.4% here looking at SPY, and it's not the worst red day in the world, but we are seeing a red day nonetheless. Again, S&P 500 down 0.4% so far in the day. We hit 411 in the pre-market. Now we're starting to run past $412 right now as I'm making this video. We have triple Q. Let's see where that's trading at. This is down 0.6%, so it is trending down a little bit here today. We have the Russell down 0.7%, which we probably won't get into in this video, but just quickly looking at it, down 0.7%, as the Dow's holding up the best. No surprise there. It is only down 0.4% on the day thus far, as the VIX is up 0.5%. And mind you guys, I did buy UVXY. I believe that was on Friday, and I'm still holding UVXY right now, which is down. I think, well, probably not on the day today. It's up on the day, but I am down on the position overall just a little bit. And I'm going to hold this for a couple more days at least, because I still think we are due for a spike in volatility. It's just a matter of when it is going to come. And when it does come, UVXY is going to see a monstrous move. At least that's the way I'm looking at it. Of course, this is very risky. It could go either way. Who knows what's going to happen, but I am making a calculated bet here on UVXY, as we are very low on the VIX. In fact, guys, I'm not sure if you saw, the VIX did take the lows out from a couple weeks ago. I believe earlier this year in February, the VIX was at roughly 17 points, 1705, 06, whatever it was at. And now it's at 1688. We actually hit 1658 a couple of days ago there. So maybe that was yesterday. That's not looking too pretty. And I just got my alert. Did you guys hear that? I'm not sure if you heard that, but Bed Bath & Beyond now is breaking 46 cents. Look at that. It is breaking 46.6 or 46.5, which is huge. We called that out a couple minutes ago, and now this could easily fill the gap towards 48 cents, mid 48 cents, which is where it was at again this morning at about 6 a.m. on the East Coast. So BBBY stock, guys, get ready. It's looking pretty. It's looking good. And now that I'm looking at this, hold on, let me say this before we wrap up the video. Do you guys not see this head and shoulders that was forming? This is actually even more bullish right now, because look, we had the left shoulder right there. We had the head right there. Boom. You guys see that? Then we had the right shoulder right there. You guys see that? But now with this breakout, now it's past 47 cents. It's moving, guys. It's up 38% right now. With this move, it is breaking out of the neckline of the head and shoulders, man. This is getting nutty. So make sure to subscribe, because later on today, we're going to make another video going over BBBY stock. We're going to do an update, see where it's trading at. And of course, we're going to make a bunch more content today. We're going to talk more about individual stocks, earnings coming out, because we have Tesla coming out later on today. So expect a video, maybe 2 videos from about Tesla today. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit that like button. And oh, by the way, I have a second channel, Stas Talks Money, which we're doing a $100 giveaway on that channel once we hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, Stas Talks Money, link down below. And feel free to check out my Patreon if you guys want, or join the YouTube channel membership. It's pretty much the same thing. All the details are down below. Don't forget to get up to 15 stocks from Moomoo as well, and 12 stocks from Weeble. And with that being said, cheers, guys. Holy crap, there it goes, almost up 40%. This is getting nuts. Good luck out there today, guys. I'll see you later.